In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable or disable the My Portal link in MYFUNDBOX's transactional emails. Once you have logged into your MYFUNDBOX account, go to Configuration from the menu. On the right, you'll find the tabs where you can enable or disable the My Portal link for one-off and recurring payments in MYFUNDBOX's transactional emails. Enable the toggle to include the My Portal link in the email, allowing users to be redirected to the MYFUNDBOX customer portal. And disable it to avoid the same. You have successfully included the My Portal link in MYFUNDBOX's transactional emails. Once your customer makes a transaction, an automated email is sent to them with a link to My Portal for easy access to their account.